So I'm just going to show a live example of how to multiply decimals. So let's start with 76.2 times 0.41. We start by converting the decimals to whole numbers. So 762 times by 41. 1 times 2 equals 2. 1 times 6 equals 6. And then 1 times 7 equals 7. So we get rid of the 1. Now we put a 0 because this is in the tenths. 4 times 2 is 8. 4 times 6 is 24. And then 4 times 7 is 28 plus the 2 is 30. And now what we do is we add these together. So 0 plus 2 is 2, 8 plus 6 is 14, 7 plus 4 is 11, plus the 1 is 12, 1 plus 0 is 1, and then 3 on its own would be 3. So currently our answer stands at 31,242. However, we need to add the decimal back in because it's a decimal based question. We only converted it to a whole number just to make it a bit easier for ourselves. So what we do is we assume this is a whole number, so it would have the decimal on the end, and then we look at how many decimal numbers, or how many numbers are after the decimals in the original question, which is 1, 2, and 3. So this means we move this decimal 1, 2, 3 places to the left, making this answer 31.242. I'm going to do one more example of this question, which will be 34.4 times 0.02. So like we did before, we changed them to whole numbers, so 334 times by 2. So 2 times 4 is 8, 2 times 3 is 6, and then 2 times 3 again is 6. So the answer we have is 668. But like last time, we have our decimal that we need to put back in its place. So as we can see, we have 1, 2, and 3 digits after decimals in the original equation. So this means we need to move this decimal 1, 2, 3 places to the left, making the answer of this question 0.668. And I hope that explains multiplying decimals a little easier for you. Thank you for listening.